Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make very cheesy and yummy mixed sauce pasta. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. At first, we are gonna take a pan and add butter to it and wait for the butter to get melted. After the butter melts, add 2 tablespoons of flour to it and mix it properly. Add more butter if you need and keep stirring it until it looks somewhat like this. Then add at least 1 cup of milk in patches and mix it evenly. Try not to get any lumps. Here I have added 1/4 cup of milk with 1/4 cup of water all together. Then add salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of herbs of your choice. Here I have added 2 cubes of cheese. You can add as much as you want. Now mix it evenly and turn off the flame because our white sauce is ready. Since it is a mixed sauce pasta, now we are going to prepare red sauce. For that, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs to it. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 finely chopped onions. Add some finely chopped capsicum and then add a medium-sized grated carrot. I have added grated carrot because it gives kind of creamy texture to the sauce. And give it a good stir. Then add salt to taste. Add more butter if the vegetables looks dry. Now saute the vegetables till it's golden brown and add half cup of tomato puree. After adding the tomato puree, cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Here I have added 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce, but it is completely optional. After cooking it for another 2-3 minutes, add our prepared white sauce. Mix the red sauce and the white sauce properly. If the consistency is too thick, then you can add some milk and water. Here I have added half cup of milk and 1/4 cup of water. After it is mixed properly, add boiled pasta. Now mix it evenly till the pasta is totally coated with the sauce. You can add more milk or water to the sauce if you want. Add some more black pepper and oregano. Keep mixing it. Now cover the pan and cook it for another 5 minutes. Now you can see the pasta is fully coated and cooked. Wow, it is looking so creamy and saucy. Now we are gonna prepare garlic butter. For that, add 2 to 3 cloves of chopped garlic and coriander to some melted butter. Cut some pieces of bread and apply the prepared garlic butter. Now take off the pasta in a tray. Add some grated cheese on top. Place the garlic bread around the tray and bake it for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Now our pasta is completely ready. Wow! Just see the texture and how creamy and cheesy it has turned out. Do give it a try and let us know in the comment section below. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment and share. And do subscribe to our channel for such amazing and easy recipes.